Good day, JHCSEans. I am Eureka Byron, and this is JHCSE Dumingag Insider. Ensuring the quality of State College, Dumingag Campus.
We are 100% compliant with the minimum requirements set by the Commission on Higher Education, namely the Master of Arts in Education, Major in Educational Administration, Master of Agricultural Development, the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, the Bachelor of Secondary Education, the Bachelor of Elementary Education, the Bachelor of Physical Education, the Bachelor of Information Science in Information Technology, the Bachelor of Science in Criminology, and the Bachelor of Science in Industrial Security Management. And also, we are proud to say that all of our programs are 100% accredited from the Accrediting Agency of Chartered Colleges and Universities in the Philippines Incorporated, or the AACOP. All of these programs are having Level 2 re-accreditation, and 5 of these programs, or 56%, are currently having their Level 3 ongoing evaluation. That's the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, the Bachelor of Elementary Education, the Bachelor of Secondary Education, the Bachelor of Physical Education, and the Bachelor of Science